Yo, what's up guys, my name is Akshay Dilip Kumar aka ADK and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to my channel, do consider subscribing as I'll be posting a lot of beatbox related content and beatbox tutorials on this channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys the Slizzer roll.
Beatbox.
The Slizzer roll is a type of invert tongue rolling technique like the invert lick roll, but the rolling sound in the Slizzer roll is more controlled and clear. To do the Slizzer roll, the tongue position is very similar to that when you complete doing a sucker punch sound. The tip of your tongue lies flat on the roof of your mouth and the sides cups the roof of your mouth like. And after you guys get the tongue position broken down, the next step is to suck air in while maintaining the same position to get the sound. Like. So what happens when you suck in air is that the tip of your tongue remains as it is, whereas the sides of your tongue folds over a bit and starts to flap over the roof of your mouth to get the sound. And also keep in mind that this sound might take some time for you guys to learn, so don't get discouraged if you guys don't get it in the first try. And after you guys get the sound, a simple practice pattern would be And that's pretty much it for this tutorial guys. I hope you people learn this sound or help you to get started with this sound. And if you people learn something new, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Or if you people got any doubts related to the sound, drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and share this video with your friends who might also want to learn beatboxing. So until the next video, keep learning and beatboxing. Ash.